Hey guys, so today I wanted to do an unboxing. So what I've got here today is my Kittynaut order. I ordered it on Black Friday and I just got it this past Friday, so December 12th I believe it is. But yeah, anyway, it's opening. Thought it'd be fun to try and do a little review of this. I like watching unboxings myself, and I didn't order much, but I did get a few things and I thought they were cute and I wanted to share. So first things first, I believe this is the tumbler. It's loud is what it is. I don't know if you guys can see, but Raspberry's chilling on the desk watching me. Yay! Also, this bubble wrap is really cute. There's that. A cute little Kittynaut label on it. Isn't this cute? So cute. Okay. I have to cut the sticker. Cut. Alright, here's a straw. Here's a purple straw. And here is the cute little mug. Oh my gosh. Can you see that from here? Like all the glitter inside. And then it's got cute little kitty ears. And it says Kittynaut Coffee. And it's got like the cutest little cat on it. And I will put some B-roll in here so you guys can see, because damn, that's cute. Next thing I got was I'll just open it like this. Make it easy on myself instead of struggling. This cute boba t-shirt. So it's got little kitty shaped boba. And I like my t-shirts baggy, so I got it in, I think I got it in a medium. Yeah. So anyway, I'll try this on and show you guys. It looks like really nice. I thought it was gonna be like super baggy, but like it's like the perfect kind of baggy. Lots of room and nice arms. A little tight on like my. Let me stand on my chair. See, it's long. It's a little tight on my thighs, but it's like not super tight. It hugs just nicely. You can tell I didn't want to wear like actual pants today, so I put on some cute Pusheen leggings. I feel like a cotton candy princess in this color though, like so colorful. I usually wear all black or mostly black, so this outfit's kind of wild for me. But the most color I usually go for is blue, so. Last but not least, they had a thing, if you spent so much money, you got a free mystery pin. And so I would like to see what pin I got. The star packaging is like really cute. I've got a business card in front, so I can't see what it is. Oh, it's the omurice kitty. Yeah, I got the t-shirt in a medium. That's right. Oh yeah, that's right. So I did pick out my thing. Now that I see that, I did get to pick out my pin. It wasn't a mystery. My memory's that bad recently. Hey. So if you liked anything that you saw in this video, definitely check out their site. I've got a link in my bio. If you would like to use my affiliate code, it's code PizzaChew, and you use it at checkout and you'll get 10% off. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!